A very good morning, friends. Good morning on this lovely Sunday morning. I welcome all the viewers, all the learners to this channel, Quant Guru, for this exclusive session on LCM, HCF, and time and work. As you all know, if you are looking for any aptitude question paper, if you have looked for government examination paper, if you have looked up placement paper of various companies, if you are trying for bank examination, you are preparing for railways, you are preparing for higher studies, quantitative aptitude is one of the part of all those question paper and also have got good weightage in all those examination. So we thought let's join for this session on Sunday and start doing certain sums on LCM-HCF. LCM-HCF basically what it is: least common multiple, highest common factor. So we will start with understanding of what is that which makes LCM-HCF so important in this quantitative aptitude papers. And time and work questions seems to be one of time and work problem seems to be one of the difficult sum in the quantitative aptitude paper, where a lot of time is wasted because of non-traditional uh, way of computation which is required for that calculation, which is required in that topic. However, in this session I'll give you the mantras wherein we will be doing all those sums within a minute, not more than that. So if you guys all are ready, just write in the chat box and we shall start the session now. Good morning, Tanveer. We have many of the viewers who have come. Good morning, Tanveer. Good morning, Abu. Devashis is here. Good morning, Ashutosh. Good morning, Abhishek. Good morning, uh, Ashok, Tanveer. Lot many viewers have already joined, and we can see everybody. Oh, Ipshita is here. Good morning, Shubhana. Ipshita has joined after a long time. Wonderful. Kishore is here. Good morning, Debashis, Karthik, Nagraj, Kirti. Wonderful. Pratik is here. Superb. Himanshu has come. Good morning, Himanshu. So, having all that said, and a lot of viewers have already joined for this session, let's start the session with a gentle smile and let's learn the mantras of LCM and HCF. And the biggest, the best way to find the LCM of a number, HCF of a number, or many numbers where 5, 6 numbers are there, bigger numbers are there, which seems to be a time consuming task most of the time. We'll do all those without much delay. Hi, Tirumala. Vital has come. Wow. Good morning. Okay. So here we start LCM and HCF of certain numbers. So type A question will be LCM of natural number. Let's see how to find the LCM of the numbers. So least common multiple. LCM is nothing but least one common multiple of the numbers. Suppose we have to find the LCM of this number, which is 8, 12, 6, and 4. The traditional method of finding this LCM will be what you do: 8 you write, 12 you write, 6 and 4. And what we start doing is we start finding the factors, right? Least common multiple. So we will have to find the factor of that, and then finally we see we write like this: 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, and again 2 times 2 3 3 and 2 1 ja 2 3. So 2 1 1 1. Then we do not have anything. So what we write is this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, which is the LCM. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, so 24 is the LCM. This is what, so it takes little bit of time. What we can do is we will be doing the same sum in different way. To find the LCM of four numbers which are given in the question paper, what we can do is first write the number in the ascending order. Ascending order is what, my dear friend? Ascending order. So ascending order is smallest number first, highest number the last, right? So increasing order. So 4, 6, 8, and 12. The same four number we are writing. Same four number we are writing in the ascending order. And what we will do is, let me see the confirmation if you all can see the screen. Yes, everybody can see the screen. Wonderful. Debashis has already given the answer as 24. Wonderful. So calculation is very good. Very good, Debashis. Superb. So what we will do is, we will write the numbers in the ascending order, and we will go to the top right side. These two number, the biggest two number, the highest two number, biggest two number, we will check and we will try to find the LCM of that. And how we will find the biggest number which is there? We will try the multiple of that. Okay, that means whether multiple in the sense, sorry, whether 12 is the LCM of 8 and 12 or not. How to find the LCM of the number? We will go in the table of 8 and we'll see whether 12 comes or not. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. No, leave it. Go to next multiple of 12. What is the next multiple of 12? 12 2 ja 24. Okay, 24. Whether 24 comes in the table of 8? Yes. 8 3 are 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Yes. Now we will see whether 6 also 6, whether 24 can be divided by 6. So yes, 6 4 are 24 and 4 6 are 24. So 24 is the LCM. Now you would have seen that I took a lot of time in answering this question, because a lot of time went on the explanation part. However, if the same sum has to be done without explanation, how we will start? This is the question. We will rewrite the question as 4, 6, 8, and 12. Go to these two numbers, find the LCM of these two numbers, keeping in mind. So this is the number, this number multiple we are doing. So 12 1 ja 12, no. 12 2 ja 24, yes. 8 3 ja 24. So for these two number, LCM is 24. We'll check with 6. 6 4 ja 24. 4 6 ja 24. 24 is the right answer. What Debashis had given the answer is right. And you will see the benefit of this method. You will see the benefit of this method, finding the LCM in this method, when the numbers are bigger, when the numbers are more. If suppose somebody gives you 2 3 6 24 48 96, find the LCM of this number. We cannot start doing the traditional method, right? We cannot start wasting time finding the LCM of this number just by finding the what are the factors of these numbers in the traditional method. However, what we will do, we'll just find the LCM of these two numbers, 48 96. Okay, 41 48 2 ja 96, no. So 96 2 ja we will do 96 into 2, and then you will see yeah, numbers are this is the LCM of that number, right? Okay, so having understood this, we'll go to the okay. So somebody is telling, okay, this is 2 ja, right? 48 2 ja 96. So 96 is the LCM of these two. And if you see all the numbers, these all 96 is the factor. So 96 is the LCM. Having understood that, let's do this question yourself and write the answer in the chat box. Find the LCM of 12, 6, 24, and 8. And this question was asked in the question paper carrying 1 mark. So we are trying to do a sum which can be done just like this without okay. Give me the answer of the sum. Good morning. Okay, so the answers are coming of the for the last question. The question is 12, 6, 24, and 8. Wonderful. Most of you have given the answer. Superb. And the first answer which has come in the chat box was from Karthik. Congratulations. Well done, Karthik. Karthik has given the answer with Parvez has given the answer. Kishore 24, right. Vineet has given, Himanshu, Abhishek, Suhana. Wonderful. Nisha has given the answer. Debashis, Vivek, Pooja, Tanveer. Wonderful, guys. Superb. So you people have understood the mantra and you people are able to do this. sum nicely. Wonderful, wonderful. So having understood this, okay, so for others who could not do this, the sum can be written as, we'll rewrite this as 6, 8, 12, and 24. We'll try to find the LCM of these two numbers, which is 24. 8 3 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24. 24 is the right answer. So this you can do within 10 seconds. 10 seconds, maximum 20 seconds you will take, not more than that. We'll go to the question number 3. Next question. Find LCM of, these are certain big numbers, right? Bigger numbers, and the number of number is also more. That means number count is more, right? So how do we do? We'll write, okay, if you look at this question, it is already, mostly it is in the ascending order except this 30, 45, and 60, my dear friend. What we will do, we'll try to find the LCM of these two number. So 60, 45 does not come, or 60 does not come in the table of 45. So multiply 60 by 2, 120. 120, yes, it can be or not, no. 45 3 ja, if you do, it is more than 120, no problem. 60 into 2, 60 into 3 now we will do. So 180, and we will check whether 180 comes or not. What is the answer? Please give me the answer. Now see, 45 into 4, if you do, 45 into 4 is 180, yes. So this 2, you, if you write 6 times, this is 12 times, this is 15 times, and this, my dear friend, 8 also comes, right? Isn't it? Do you agree 180 is the answer? 180. Most of you have given the answer as 180, and there was no option of 180, isn't it? Option was not there. However, when the option is not there, option has to be changed. There is a problem in the question. There has to be, one sec. Give me a moment. Let me cross check. This was this. Okay. Okay. So it has been changed. 180 is one of the option, and 180 is the right answer. So you people have understood how to find the LCM of bigger numbers also. So this is one question for you. Fatafat, give me the answer, and we will go to the next question, next type of question. Okay, if you'll see in the last question, probably what was there, 180 was not given. Why? Because this number says yes. This number says yes. 180 can be, 180 is divisible by 60, 45, 8, 30, 15, and 12. However, 8 times, if you see 8, it 180 cannot be divided by 8. It does not come in the because 80 comes, 100 does not come, isn't it? So that is why 360 is the right answer. So if you see till here, the LCM is 180, but these two LCM, when we are trying to find out, again we'll have to multiply this by 2, which is 360. And after having 360, 8 can multiply 8, 360 can be divided by 8, and the answer of this is 360, not 180. Understood? If 8 was not there, the LCM would have been 180. However, having 8 in this question, the LCM is 360, my dear friend. Hope you have understood. Right? Put in the chat box yes or no. Did you understand this? Why 180 was not given in the option? Okay. The next question which I asked you people to do was this. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. So what we will do, these two are the bigger numbers. So what we can do is 15. So instead of multiplying and finding this answer, what you can do is, if you want to go for the shortcut, what you can try doing is 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15, right? 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, I'll change the color and I will show you how do we do this bigger questions. This can be 5 into 3. This can be written as 4 into 3. So 3 is anyways common in these two. So these two has to be multiplied. That means the LCM of 12 and 15 is going to be 4 into 5, which is 20, into 3. 4 into 5, 20 into 3 is going to be 60. If you see the LCM of 12 and 15, 12 5 ja 60 and 15 4 ja 60. Now we will check these two number and you will tell no sir, 60 cannot be divided by 8. So multiply and go for second number. What is the LCM of these two? This two LCM of 8 and 60. So 60 is not the LCM, 60 is not the LCM. You try for 120. Yes, 15 times 8 is 120. So 120 is the right answer. Most of you have already given the right answer. I could see the Bashis has given, Himanshu, Nisha, Pooja, Paul, Hitesh. Wow. Lot of people have given the answer. Yes. Okay. Yes means you have understood that. Okay. The last question. Wonderful. Wonderful. So having said this, okay, few more had given the answer. Superb. 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 Hmm. Aman Mishra has written 129, probably typo. Okay, so he wanted to write 120. By mistake, he has written 129. Not a problem. Let's go to the next question and try to understand different kind of sum which will be asked from the question paper or the topic LCM-HCF. By this, we have understood LCM. How to find the HCF in the same way wherein we can, save a lot of time in the competitive examination. So the question is find the HCF of 27, 18 and 36. So what we will do similarly, what we have written is we can write the number in ascending order, no problem, 18, 27 and 36. However, in LCM, we were starting with a bigger number. What we will do with the smaller number? In HCF, we will start from the left and we will try to find the HCF of these two numbers. What is HCF? Try to understand what is HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. That means try to find the factor and the common factor which is common for all. Suppose 2 and 4. What is the highest common factor? 2. However, in LCM, what we were doing, common multiples or common factors, we were not multiplying multiple time. We were multiplying one time, and all the prime numbers and all which were not common to the numbers, we were multiplying those numbers as well. So here, if you see in these two, 9 2 ja 18 and 9 3 ja 27. So 9 is the HCF of 18 and 27. Now we will check between 9 and 36 what is the HCF. So 9 4 ja 36. So 9 is the HCF, my dear friend, for complete number. We will not again go for multiplication factor, finding the factor and all. And what we can see is, wow, I could see a lot of people who have given the answer. Wow, wow, wow. Superb, superb. So this Sunday morning, I was not expecting so many viewers to join me to learn this today. Sunday morning, who will join? Who want to spend time on all those? However, the people have joined. Wonderful. And people are understanding. The people who have joined, you will be, this is a bet, this is a promise that you will be learning something which is very unique going forward after some time. HCF of two numbers, right? HCF of two different numbers. Now try to find the HCF of these two numbers. 360 seems to be a big number. 132 seems to be a big number. Now, looking at these two numbers, what we will do, we will try to see, write the, what is that? Factors. Okay, the bigger numbers and all. 132, if you see, this is nothing but 12 into 11. 12 into 11 is 132. I'll change the color and so that you do not get confused. 12 into 11 is 132, my dear friend, and 12 into 3 is 36, so 30. So what is common? Clearly 12 is common, so the factor is 12. The answer is 12. Right? All right. Shall we go to the next question now? Okay. Having understood that, I give you a question, find the HCF of, and you will have to give me the answer. Find the HCF of 24, 40, and 30. What is the HCF of 24, 40, and 30? Write your answer in the chat box. Uh, Himanshu has given the answer as 2. Okay, anybody else? Sovik has given the answer as 2. Wonderful. Oh, ho, ho. Shubhangi has got the answer. Geetanjali has got the answer. Parvez, Pratik. Wonderful, wonderful. Suhana has got the answer. Pooja has got. Too many people have got the answer. Already people are getting the answer. Raman has got the answer. Radha, Abhishek, Vivek, Nisha, Pratik, Parvez. Oh, wow, wow. Vinit has got. Sandesh has got. Ashutosh, Hitesh, Hitisha, wonderful. Tiranjit, Radha, wonderful. Alisha, Nagaraj, Vinit. Oh ho ho, superb, great. That looks like the right answer because what we will do is, anyways, we have written these two are the, or rewrite the number in the ascending order if you want to write. Otherwise, keep in your mind which are the two numbers we are going to find. So smallest two number, we will try to find the common factor between these two. Clearly this is 15 into 2, this is 6 into or 12 into 2, right? 12 into 2. Now if you see, 2 is common between these two. However, if you see, this is 5 into 3, so 5 into 3. Okay, so what we can rewrite is, this is 6 into 4 and this is 6 into 5. Now this is a prime number. When the prime number comes, leave it. So 6 is common between these two, so 6 is between these two. The HCF of 24 and 36. However, the HCF of 6 and 40 is something different. This is 2 into 3 and this is 2 into 20, my dear friend. One is prime number, so forget it. Now 2 is the HCF of that number. Wonderful. So everybody who has given the answer as 2 are right, and this is for you. Super. Well done. Now let's see what happens if the numbers are in fraction. Sometimes you will be astonished to see the question will be something like this: find the LCM of 4 by 9, 6 by 21. When the question is something like this, then what we will do, we will go and recall the property of LCM HCF, what we have learned in class 8, 9 and 10. Right? Class 8, 9 and 10 LCM, when it was taught, some properties were also taught. So the property of LCM says, when there is a fraction, when there are fraction, the numbers are given in the fraction, then LCM of that number will be equal to LCM of numerator divided by HCF of their denominator. Okay, so saying that if the question was 4 by 9 and 6 by 21, and we have to find the LCM of these two numbers, how we can find is, find the LCM of 4 and 6. Numerator is this, right? Denominator is this. And find the HCF of 9 and 21, my dear friend. What is the LCM of 4 and 4 and 6? Obviously 6 2 ja 12. Okay, so we have already understood how to find the LCM of the number. We know the to find the HCF of the number. What is the HCF of these two? So obviously 9, 21 does not come in the table of 9. So factor of 9, factor of 9 is 3 into 3. 3 times 7 is 21, so 3. So that means 4 is the right answer. Got it, everyone? Gitanjali is telling no answer. Why, ma? Why no answer? Many have got answer as 4. Wonderful. Gitanjali, did you understand? Gitanjali is telling no answer. However, I feel answer is there. Let me know, Gitanjali, if you have understood this. Okay. So most of the people are getting the answer as 4. Okay, understood. Wonderful. Gitanjali also understood 4 is the right answer. So what I am telling guys, hope you have understood this. Let's practice another sum. You will understand how to do. Need not to remember completely these all things. Keep in your mind whenever there is a fraction. Fatafat, what we will do? Top number, that numerator and all, we will find the LCM, and denominator will find HCF, and that will give us the answer. Find the LCM of, the question is 27 by 50, 9 by 20, 6 by 251. Traditional method was something different. In traditional method, what we used to do, we used to find the LCM of these two numbers, then multiply the number and make it equate. These all things we are not going to do. Why? Because that is a waste of time. We have to find the LCM of these three numbers. So what we will do, that will be equal to LCM of 6, 9 and 27. My dear friend, I am writing in ascending order, and again HCF of, I'm writing 20, 50 and 251. Now, what is the LCM? 9 3s are 27. Okay. And these two cannot be divided. So go for multiplication of 2. So 54, 54. Whether 54 comes? Whether 54 comes? Tell me. 9 6 are 54, isn't it? So LCM of the numerator is 54, and what is the HCF of denominator? These two, 10 is common, isn't it? 10 is common. Now between these two, whether 10 is common? No. What is common? Okay, I feel the question should have been uh, okay. Okay, tell me, what is common between 10 and 251? I think nothing is common, right? So LCM, can we have, can this number be divided by 2? No. Can it, this number be divided by? Why? Because factor of 10 is 2 into 5, right? This number cannot be divided by 2. This number cannot be divided by 5. So what is the HCF? Nothing. That means 1. It can be divided by 1. So 1 by 54 by 1. That is 54 is the right answer. Right? 54 is the right answer. Now let's see how many of you have got the right answer. Wow. Wow, many people have got the 54 as the right answer. Superb. So many of you have already got the answer as 54. Okay, okay. So what we will do, if you have understood this, let's see which is the next sum. Okay, 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 okay. Let me try. Let me try. Okay, this is one of the answer which you should give. Which you should give. Probably, yeah. This is the final LCM question, which is for you. Find the LCM of 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 5 by 6, 7 by 12. Find the LCM of Gitanjali. Wow. 140 by 3. Wonderful. Devashish has got 140 by 3. Oh, Aman Mishra has got 140 by 3. Wonderful. So top 3 performers are here. Pooja, wow, Himanshu. So we have got 5 performers, top performers, and that keeps changing. That will keep changing for sure. That is going to keep changing. So we have got Vineet has got, Parvez has got, Chirant, Tiranjit has got, Nisha has got, Rashmi has got, wow, Vivek has got, Sohana. So everybody is getting right. Everybody is getting the same answer. Fiza has got, wow, 140 by 3. Ashutosh has got the answer. Abhishek has got, Hitisha has got, oh wow, Pratik. Super guys. So let's I'm sure if these many answers and all are coming, you people have understood, and you people will be doing able to do these sums in the quantitative question paper. When it comes quantitative aptitude question paper, so it is nothing but LCM of, dear friends, 2, 4, 5 and 7, and HCF of 3, 9, 5, 6 and 12. 6 and 12, my dear friends. Now one more one, why this question is given, एक और चीज है जो कि सीखने वाली है. One more thing is there which you can learn from this. Any prime number, when you are trying to find the LCM of prime numbers, do not spend too much of time, just multiply it. LCM of these three numbers are going to be, is going to be 2 into 5 into 7 into something. Now which is the number left out? Number left out is 2. Now see what is common. 2 is common. 2 is common in this because 2 2s are 4. So 2 1 2 has gone, another 2 will come. So finding the factor is the key here. However, we are not trying to do that way traditional method. What we are doing is smart method. Okay, divided by, what is the HCF? HCF of bigger two numbers, okay, bigger smaller two numbers, these two we are trying to find out. 3 and 3 is 3. 3 can divide 9, yes. 3 can divide 12, yes. So divided by 3 is the answer. That's all, right? This is what you people have done, right? We can also only solve this option. Only 140 is the multiple of 7. Got it, my dear friends? 140. Now if you see, this is one of the method, right? 140 by 3 is the answer. If you look at the options, there is also the answer. Divided by 3 is always there, so that is not a problem. Now if you see the options, 143, we have to find the LCM of what? In the answer that we understood, right? The answer will be, the numerator will be always LCM of 2457. That means the number should be the multiple of what? 2 4 5 and 7. 2 4 5 and 7. Go for this. Which are the numbers which are multiple of 2? Whether 143 is multiple of 2? No. 143 is not the multiple of 2. 141 not the multiple of 2. So option can be B or D, because it is multiple of 2. Let's go for 5. So 5, any number which is multiplied by 5 will end with 0 or 5. 0 or 5 only. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, that means 0. 5 3 ja 15, ending with 5. 5 4 ja 20, ending with 2. 0. So 0, this number end with 0, this number does not end with 0. So only B is the factor. Otherwise, if you go with a bigger number 7, if you again try these all numbers and see the factor of 7, 7 2 ja 14, only this number can be multiplied. 7 2 ja 14, that means 20 times. 140 is 20 times the 7. Remaining all are not. So B is the right answer. So any of those ways also you can find. Instead of finding the right answer, you can eliminate the wrong answers and you will be left with only right answers. Okay. Having said that, let's try to find the HCF of fraction of numbers. When the numbers are given in the fractions, then how to find the HCF of those numbers? Okay. So how do we find? Like how to find the LCM of fraction? HCF of fraction will be HCF of numerator, my dear friend, and divided by LCM of denominator. That's all. It is reversed. So how do we find out the HCF of 4 by 9? Give me the answer. 10 by 21 and 20 by 63. How do we find out? That will be equal to HCF of 4, 10 and 20 divided by LCM of 9, 21, 63, my dear friend. So HCF of the smaller two number is, this is 2, and again these two are 2. So the answer is 2 divided by any other number, right? Any other number. Now LCM of these two number is 63. 9 7 ja 63, so 63. So option D is the right answer. Got it? 2 by 63. Wonderful. One more method what you can do is, this is the way to find. Very good. If you want to find from the option, you see, anyways, if you have found the LCM of the upper numerator, that is 2, 63 remains common in all. Need not to find the LCM of 63. Why? Because you will waste another 5 seconds in finding the LCM of the number, or 10 seconds in finding the LCM of the number. 63 divided by 63 is common. Let's not find this. Let's find only the numerator, which is 2. Remaining are 1, 3, and 5. Hope you understood this. What I'm trying to say, to save your time, what you can do is, you just find the numerator part. Denominator part is common in all. That means 63 has to come. Anyways, whatever you do, otherwise none of these are the answer. Let me know yes or no, so that we can go to the next sum. Have you understood what I was telling? The crux here, the Mentos method, what we can use. Very good. 2 by 63. Many of you have got the answer as 2 by 63. Superb to see that. Chalo. Having understood this, 2 by 63. Yes, wonderful. Now let's go to the next sum, wherein LCM of decimal number. There are certain evidences wherein questions were asked, and questions were asked wherein decimal numbers were given. So it is not at all a problem to find the LCM of decimal number. We have to find the LCM of 1.2, 1.5, 2, and 5. So obviously what we will do, we will multiply all the numbers. What we can do is, can we write these number into 10 divided by 10, right? 10 divided by 10. Okay, no, not a problem. 10 divided by 10. So the numbers will be becoming, these all number will become 1.2 will become 12, my dear friend. This will become 15. This will become 20, and this will become your 50. So these are the four numbers, and now we can find the LCM of those numbers, right? Okay, let's try to find out the LCM of these all number. 50. So clearly it is 200. 50. 20 cannot divide 50. 50 into 2. Okay, 100. Let's see, 100. 50 into 200, 5 times. No problem. Now let's see these two. 15 cannot divide 100, right? So 200, 200. 15 cannot divide 200 as well. So 200 is also not there. So what is there next? 300. Yes, 300 is there. And 12 times, if you see 300, what is the answer? 300. LCM is 300. Whether the answer of LCM of these numbers are 300, so no, we will tell no, sir. 300 is not the answer. Why? Why? Because we had divided by 10. So let's divide the answer by 10. 300. Why? Because we have multiplied the number by 10, so we will have to divide the number by 10. So 30 is the right answer. So not at all a problem. What we are doing is, we are multiplying the number so that it comes out of decimal, and then we are dividing the answer. Why? Because if you see, this is by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. So what is there? If we, this changes to, if you clearly see, this changes to fraction. And in the fraction, if you remember, my dear friends, what we were doing is, this will be LCM of this and HCF of this. The number is common. HCF of 10, 10, 10, 10 is going to be 10, right? So that is how we are dividing by 10, my dear friend. Having understood this question is for you, and solve this question. Find the LCM of 1.2, 0.24, and 6. Give me the answer. Sorry, no sound. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much for letting me know there was no sound. Sorry. So in the last number, what I was trying to say, yeah, thank you, kar diya. Thank you. Yeah, sorry, extremely sorry. And there was no sound. Should I go back and explain that? Mostly you people have got the answer. Okay, so find the HCF. Similarly, how we found the LCM of the number, can you find the HCF of the number? Let's give the answer. And we have answer from one person. The first person has given the answer, which is Gitanjali Das. Gitanjali, you are doing awesome. You're doing awesome. Okay, Aman Mishra has given the answer as 0.04. Fiza has given the answer as 0.04. Wonderful. Rashmi somewhere went to 1. There is no option of 1. Rashmi, Nisha, come back. Let's see where we went wrong. Okay, let me see. Okay, Nisha Rashmi has given again the answer as 0.04. Okay, wonderful. Acha, Rashmi was telling option 1. Sorry. She was trying to give option 1, that is A, as the answer. Tirumala has got the answer. Wow, Tirumala Reddy has got the answer as 0.04. Hitisha has got the answer. Vivek has got the answer. Abhishek has got the answer. Devasish has got the answer. Wonderful. So many people have got the answer. That means you people have understood how to do it. However, if anybody has gone wrong, I do not see anybody going wrong. However, if we have to do this, this becomes 616 after multiplying with 100, and this becomes, my dear friend, 1300. We'll have to find the common factor between these two HCF we are finding, right? Common factor. What is the highest common factor? So highest common factor of these two numbers, we'll have to find out how do you find that? So what you can do is write the number. This is the number, right? So this is nothing but 100 into 13. 13 is a prime number. Forget about this. So for remember 25, 100. If you make the factor, I'm just giving you the mantra. How can you reduce your question when it becomes very tough and you feel without factor I cannot find out? It can be found without finding the factor of the number in the traditional method. Now 100 becomes 25 into 4. 25 is again a prime number, not a prime number, but 5 into 5 is a prime number. Where 5 comes, see 13, whether 13 comes here, no, it is a prime number, it does not come here. 5 comes here. If the number is the multiple of 5, it will end with 5 or 0. No, this 5 also no. So what is left out? Only 4 is left out. Now try to divide this number by 4. Whether the number can be divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. 104 times. Yes, that is why 4 is the HCF of these two numbers. So 4 is the HCF of the number. That means the answer is 4. However, we have to divide it by 100. Why? Because we have already multiplied with 100. That is why the answer is 0.04. Got it? Is the right answer. Okay. Having seen this, let's go to the next kind of question. Okay, one more sum. One more sum is there. One more sum is there, which you will have to do. And next, we will go to last type of HCF and directly go to time and work. Time and work problem we will be doing in a minute, not more than that. And after practice of for some time, after solving two questions, we'll be doing those questions within 40 seconds. Traditionally, normally people take 2 to 5 minutes of time to do the sums of time and work. We'll be doing in 40 seconds. Okay, the answer has started coming. Tiranjit has given the answer as 2. Second option, is it? Okay, second option he's telling is the answer. Okay. Okay, so people have started giving the answer. Let's see how to find this. Anyways, we have to find the HCF of this. So the number can be rewritten as 12, and this number becomes 50, isn't it? That is how it is done. 12 and 50. Why? Because it will be multiplied by 100. 12 and 50. Find the HCF of 12 and 50. Now, finding the HCF of this is 25 into 2, right? And this is multiple of 2, and then, okay, this becomes, this 50 is 25 into 2, which is again 5 into 5, and 5 does not come here. If you see, 5 does not come here. So forget about this, remember only 2. Okay, 2 6 just 16. So 2 is the HCF of the number. 2 is clearly the HCF of the number. Now 2 has to divide it by 100, which is 0.02, which is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now somebody has commented and rightly commented on the last question which I had done. Somewhere. Okay, we'll go to that. Somebody has rightly corrected. Okay, so this is one of the question which is based on the property of LCM and HCF. My dear friend, property of LCM and HCF. Himanshu is telling my answer is not showing in the chat box. Okay, why Bracket team? Please put Himanshu's answer in the chat box. Himanshu, your answer is coming. Himanshu, your comment is also coming. My answer is not showing in your chat box. Okay. Oh, let me know if a screen is really blur or something, because somebody, Aman, is writing screen is blur, not showing properly. Let me know. Let me know if that is right. If everybody is not getting, nobody is able to see the screen, my dear friends. Right in the chat box. Are you able to see the screen properly? All of you. Okay. So Abhishek is telling it is clear. It is clear. Vivek is telling it is clear. So with this telling, so many are telling it is clear. So probably, uh, okay. Everybody is still telling clear. Thank you so much. Lovely. Thank you so much, guys. So Aman, probably what would have happened? The internet of from your side would have gone down. Not at all a problem. Yes, sometimes it happens. No problem. I was just seeing that my internet is on. My internet is on. It will come. It will buffer and it will come back. No problem. Okay. So this is one of the sum from where you will get a lot of question, which is property of LCM and HCF. Let's see one of the question. Very interesting question, and you can mark it like very important, something like this, or if you write VVI, whatever, very important question. That is the sum which we are going to do, and we will do in our own style. LCM and HCF of two numbers are 1260 and 63 respectively. If one of the number is 315, find the other number. So what they are telling, LCM of two numbers, LCM of x and y is 1260. LCM of L and HCF of x comma y is 63. If one of the number x is equal to 315, then y is equal to what? Okay, let's go back to the property of LCM and HCF. We have a property of LCM and HCF which says LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. Okay, that is n1 into n2. This is what is the property. That means if we know one of the number n1, we know, that means LCM and HCF 1260 into 63 is going to be equal to n1 and n2 115 into suppose x, right? N1 is equal to 315, N2 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 1260 into 63 divided by 315. Do this and you will get the answer. Can you do this and give me the answer? Wow, wow. The answer is Aman has given 252. Wow, super. Vivek Devashish. Oh ho ho! You guys are awesome in calculation. You guys are awesome in calculation. Aman, are you getting the screen now properly? No problem. Super, super. So you people have got the answer as 252. Okay. So considering everybody is telling 252, 252 is the right answer. Let's see one more question. Let's see one more question on this and find the answer of that. I'm giving you the question as question is LCM of two number is equal to 36. HCF of two number is equal to 3. One number is equal to 3. Find the another number. Find the other number. Without calculation, people can write, right? Gitanjali has written without calculation. Why? Because it has to be the product of two number, right? And one side, not clear, 36. Eh? 36 is the right answer. But how come not clear? Okay, wonderful. So most of you are getting the Shiva has got the answer as 24. Shiva, there is some calculation mistake, Shiva. See, look at the screen. What was there when we did this last sum? What did we speak? We spoke about the product of the number will be equal to product of LCM and HCF, right? LCM and 244. Uh, okay. 244. Shiva, rewrite that. I did not understand that. Please rewrite that. 36 is the right answer, or 24 is the right answer, or 244 is the right answer. You have given 244 as one answer, 24 as one answer, and then I did not get it. But however, if you have understood, it was nothing but LCM into HCF is equal to N1 into N2. LCM is 36 into 3 is equal to another number is 3 into what? Obviously 3 is here, 3 is here, so to equate 36 should be the second number. Got it, everybody? Now let's see the next type of sum, finding the smallest number. Okay, this is one of the difficult sum which are asked from question paper of LCM and HCF. Find the least number which when divided by 4, 9 and 12 leaves a remainder as 3 in each case. Find the least number which when divided by 4. What we will have to find out? Suppose this x is the number. So what they are telling, if you divide x by 4, right? If you divide x by 4, or you divide x by 9, or you divide x by 12, right? If you divide, find the least number which when divided by 4, 9 and 12 leaves the remainder as, then the remainder part will be 3. The remainder part will be always 3. This is the concept. If you remember, if you remember, go back to the multiplication part. This what happens, this part is called what, this part is called what, and this part is called what, this part is called what. So obviously this is called remainder, right? Okay, this is called what, quotient, divisor, dividend, right? This is what it is called, no? and dividend is equal to what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is clear, right? This is what. So this we know. And what they have given in the question, just for your understanding, I'm doing this. Just for your understanding, I'm doing this. This is how dividend is found. If you are telling, sir, 12 has to be divided by, suppose 15 has to be divided by 2. So 2, 7 ja 14 and the remainder is 1. So 2 is your divisor, 15 is dividend, quotient is 7 and the remainder is 1. Just for your understanding so that you can do this question. Now coming back to the question, what they have asked is, find the least number. How do you understand this is the question from LCM-HCF? They have asked find the least number. LCM, least common multiple, least. Okay, least is the key. Okay, find the least number which when divided by 4, 9 and 6, any number, any of those number, if you divide that number by this number, when you divide x by these three numbers, the remainder comes as 3. Consider there was no remainder. My dear friend. So that time what would have happened? 4 can divide x, 9 can divide x, 12 can divide x. That means x is divisible by 4, 9 and 12 all. That means what? It is the multiple of that. Common, and they are asking least. That means least common multiple. So find the LCM of 4, 9 and 12. Tell me what is the LCM of 4, 9, 12? 4, 9, 12. What is the LCM? 12 2 ja 24. 9 cannot divide. 12 3 ja 36. Okay, 9 4 ja 36. 4, yes, it can also divide. 9 4 ja 36. Wonderful. So 36 is the LCM. So LCM of these three number is 36. That means 4, 9 and 12, all three can divide 36 with the remainder 0. What they are asking, in all the cases remainder is 3. To have remainder 3, can we add 3 to this? So the answer is 39. Hope you have got it. Please post in the chat box if you have understood what I was trying to do. Many have given the answer, no problem. Sovik has given the answer. Okay, 36 is the LCM he has given. Wonderful. Vital has given the answer as 39. Vital has given 39, no problem. 36, many have given 36, 39. Himanshu has given the answer as well. Himanshu, your answer has come on the screen now in the chat box. LCM plus 3. Wonderful. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Very good. 39. Many have given the answer as 39. Just let me know the explanation which I gave was understood by most of you or not. Okay, you people have understood. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Shall we go to the next question? This kind of question will be asked. Now, this question is, find the least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 will leave 2 as remainder. Wonderful. What is there? We will have to find the LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12, 16. Go with the biggest two number. 16. 12 cannot divide 16. Not a problem. What is this? 4 into 3. This is 4 into 4. Instead of just multiplying, I'm telling what is that? 4 and 4 is common, right? So 4 into 3 into 12, 4 into 3 into 4 will be the key. Otherwise, just see 4 is common. So do 4 times. 16 4 ja 16 4 ja, because 4 is common in both. So you will have to multiply this into 4 times 64. And let's see whether that comes or not. It will not come. What will be the answer? 4 into 4 into 3. 16 3 ja. Okay, 3 ja you do 48. Okay, 48. 12 4 ja 48. Very good. Now this yes, this yes, this yes. So 48 is the LCM of these all numbers. The option 1 is given as 48. Most of the people have done, 27% of the people have done this 48 as answer, which is wrong answer. Why? Because remainder is also there. Plus 2 is the answer. 50 is the right answer, right? 50 is the right answer. Plus 2 we have to do, and 50 we have to find out. Wonderful. Shiva has given the answer. Devashish Fiza has got the answer. Vineet has got the answer. Wonderful. Ashutosh, Vital, Ankit, Gitanjali, Aman Mishra, Parvez, Himanshu. Wonderful. Super. So you people have got the answer. Okay. Having said that, need not to do. Oh, can you please do this question now? Here comes another kind of question, another type of question, where is it is very, very, very important. Double time you can put, and you can always expect one question of this type to come in your question paper if a question paper has a question from LCM and HCF. Okay, let's see who gives this answer, and I'm giving a minute of time to you to think and give the logic of this question and how to find the answer. Okay, let's see how many of you have understood this or the way of doing this. 359 Himanshu has given the answer. Debashis has given 359. Lavanya has given. Vinita has given. Tir- Tiranjit has given. Abhishek has given. Himanshu has given a logic that multiple of 10 plus 9. Multiple of 10 plus 9. Okay. Let's see how does it come. Ankit, option C. Okay. Gitanjali has given. Okay. So these people have given the answer. Let's understand how do we do this now. Okay. See, the question is find the least number which, when divided by 10, 9, and 8, leaves the remainder as 9, 8, and 7. When the number is divided by, when the number is divided by, let me know if you people can hear me properly. Okay, when the number is divided by 10, suppose this is the number, when the number is divided by 10, what is the remainder, my dear friend? The remainder is going to be 9. In second case, when the number is divided by 9, when the number is divided by 9, the remainder is going to be 8. When the number is again divided by 8, then what is the remainder? Remainder they are telling is 7. Can you see this relationship? Can you see this relationship? If you see clearly, it is visible. The difference between this number which is dividing, that is divisor, and remainder, is always 1. This is one kind of question. It is not one, it should be constant. So the difference between these two is 1. Difference is 1. When the difference is common, then what we can do, find the LCM of the number, LCM of all three numbers, which number which is dividing that, LCM of what, 10, 9 and 8, and subtract 1. That is what is the answer. Subtract 1, that will give you the answer. So the answer is the LCM of 9, 10, 9 and 8. These two number, if you see, 90 is the LCM. Is the LCM, right? Yes. And these two number LCM, 8 does not come in 90. Means 90 does not come in the table of 8. So 180 you try. 180 also does not come. So 360 you try, or 270 you can try 3 times. 270 also does not come. 360 you try. 360 comes, right? 360 comes. So LCM is going to be 360. 360 minus 1 is 359. 359, option C is the right answer. Okay, so you people have understood it. Very good. Wonderful. So this is understood by most of you, the logic behind finding this kind of question. If they will give, suppose one more question I'll give you is, if somebody asks you, find the least number, which when divided by, 36, 48, 36, 48 and 64 gives a remainder as 25, 37 and 53. This is your remainder and this is your divisor. Find the number. Give me the answer. This is another question we are asking. Find the least number which when divided by 36, 48 and 64 leaves a remainder as 25, 37 and 53. So clearly what you can see, the difference between these three you see 11 is the difference, right? Difference is 11. So this comes in the same format. So what will be the answer? The answer will be LCM of the number 36, 48 and 64, my dear friend, minus 11. Find the LCM of these three numbers, find the LCM of these two numbers, and minus 11 you do. That will give you the answer. Okay, so this will be 576 minus 11, which is 565. Let's go to the next sum. Okay, this is another type of question. Find the least 4-digit number. What is 4-digit number here? 4-digit number is something like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number it is. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. Now, what is the highest 4 or biggest or largest? Highest or largest 4-digit number is 9999, right? So what it is asking, the least four digit number, the smallest four digit number which is divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 10, right? 4, 6, 8 and 10. So first of all, what we will do, the number, suppose x is the number, x has to be divisible by the number x. Suppose the number is x has to be divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 10, isn't it? 4, 6, 8 and 10. So what we will do, find the LCM of this first. LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 10. Try to find the LCM of this. So what is the LCM? LCM, write the LCM of that number. 10 into 2, no. 3, no. 4, yes. 8 5 ja. Now these two, 2 into 10, this is 2 into 3. 3 is prime number, right? So 120. Clearly it is 120, right? Prime number, no? So 3 times we will have to multiply. So 140 into 3 is 120, and this is 2 times, 20 times, right? This is 30 times. Wonderful. So 120 is the LCM of the number. No problem. Now 120 we have got. Now the number 120 is the LCM of all those numbers, and the number should be 4-digit number. 4-digit number which is the multiple of 120. So first of all, what we will do, into 10 if we do, it is 1200. This is 4-digit number, isn't it? This is 4-digit number. Now go in the reverse order. 120 into 9, you see what it comes. One twenty into 10 is a 4-digit number, yes, but whether it is least or not, we have to see. So 120 into 9 euro. 1080. 120 into 8 euro. 96, 960. 960 is a 3-digit number. This is 4-digit number, this is 4-digit number. The least number is 1080. So 1080 is the right answer. Once again, I'll tell you what we are trying to do. We are trying to find a 4-digit number which is least. We are trying to find the 4-digit least number, or least 4-digit number which can be divided by, which is divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 10. As the number is divisible by these 4 numbers, so we can find the LCM of that number. LCM of that number is 120. Now this number which is x has to be the multiple of 120, and this number has to be 4-digit. To make it 4-digit, what I did is 120 into 10, when you do, it becomes 4-digit number. Very easy. Why? Because otherwise you'll have to write 120 into 1, 120 into 2, 120 into 3, 120 into 4. That is one of the way. That also people say. What people say is 120 into 1 you write, 120 into 2 you write, 120 into 3 you write, 120 into 4 you write, and keep on writing. Then you will get, this is 120, this is 240. These all are 3-digit numbers, so it is not of cost, right? It is not of our choice. 360, 480 and so on. 72, right? This is the table of 120, right? Into, if we did, so 4 times, this is 5 times, this is 6 times, into 7 times, it is into 8 times, it is into 9 times. So what I'm telling, till here it is of no choice. Till here it is of no choice. Why? Because these 3 are 3-digit number. These 2 are of our choice. Why? Because just now it has become 4-digit number. However, which is the least one? 1080 is the least one. So go for 1080. So the best way is do it in a reverse way. Okay. It is clear. Okay. Anusha is telling video is not clear. Anusha, internet would have gone down, ma. Right. So 1080 everybody has given. Many have given the answer as 1080, and most of you have understood it. Wonderful. So let's see the next question. Okay. So with this, we have come to the end of LCM-HCF. LCM-HCF. So clearly you people have understood the question on LCM and HCF, and most of you would have understood these are the certain kind of questions which are asked in LCM-HCF, from LCM-HCF, and I'm sure you will be able to do this. This video will be there on the YouTube channel. If anytime you want to visit it, please go back and look into the channel, not a problem at all, and you can learn the mantras of LCM-HCF. I know lot of questions are solved, so it would have become little tedious for the first time viewers. However, if you want to watch, go back and watch the video again, and you can learn the tip and tricks of LCM-HCF. LCM-HCF is not the topic which always is asked. Direct questions will come from that. However, what can happen, these questions may be used in certain other questions. If you see the question of other topics, the use of LCM and HCF is huge in that. The topics like LCM, HCF, speed mathematics, which is from number series, topics like ratio, percentage, these are certain topics from which you can expect direct question and indirect question. The application of that will be in most of the questions. Now LCM, HCF, we have understood how to find the LCM of the number, 3-4 numbers without wasting much of time. Now we will see those applications of those in our next topic, which is time and work. Let's start the topic time and work, and we will be here for another half an hour, and we will do complete time and work question. And I bet no other question other than this type questions will not be asked for a fresh level examination, in the fresh level examination. And these all questions are asked in SSC. Okay, Debashish, wonderful. Debashish is telling these all questions were asked in the SSC examination, correct? And the same question comes in the question paper, placement paper as well, similar questions. So that is good. That's good that you have the understanding of SSC examination and you are able to relate it. So let's see time and work questions, and we will see the application of finding speed LCM of the numbers in this. So having before we start to time and work, let's start with what is the concept of time and work. Concept of time and work. Okay, the concept of time and work says, suppose a person is a person who finishes a job in 10 days, right? 10 days, and B comes to help. B comes to help the person. So A and B together will finish the job in less than 10 days for sure. Correct, no? A plus B together will take less than 10 days. In mathematics, what happens if one person can eat 5 chapatis, another person can eat 2 chapatis, so A plus B together can eat 5 plus 2 chapatis, 7 chapatis, if chapatis are available. Those many chapatis are available, right? However, in time and work, what happens? It get decreased. That is one of the concepts you'll have to remember. And how do we do that? Let's see the sum and let's find the answer. Right. Okay. So one is, the traditional method wherein if A can finish a work in 20 days, so you write A takes 20 days and B takes, my dear friend, 30 days to finish the same job. So A's efficiency in 1 day, or in one day, A can do 1/20th of the work. Similarly, in 1 day, B can do 1/30th of the work, and A and B together can do in 1 day 1/20 plus 1/30, and you find the LCM of 20 and 30, and then you write here something. Okay, LCM of 20 and 30 is going to be, suppose, 60. So you write here, ki sir, this is 3 times and this is 2 times, so 5/60. So in one day A and B could do 5/60th of the job, so they will take 65 days to finish the complete job, which is 12 days. This is your traditional method, isn't it? Yes or no? This is your traditional method. We are not going to use traditional method. Why? Because all the topics and all we will be doing through this channel, we will not do the traditional method. We will change the method and we will give you another method which is not so complex. It will not consume too much of time. Okay, this is one of the method. If you know this, very good. Let's be open to learn another method, which is something like this. Write down A, write down B. A takes 20 days, B takes 30 days, right? A can finish a piece of work in 20 days, B can finish the same work in 30 days. So we have written 20 and 30. What we will do, we will write a box here, draw a box here, and we will find the LCM of 20 and 30. 20 and 30. 30. Can 20 divide 30? No. 20, 30 into 2, 60. Yes, 60. Now we will write how many times. 20 is how many times? 20 is how many times 60? 3 times. 20 is 3 times 60. 30 is 2 times 60. So this shows our efficiency part. This shows total work. This shows total work. This is the number of days what person is taking to complete the job. Now efficiency, this means, try to understand what is this. 3 is the efficiency of A. That means 3 part of job, total job is 60 unit of job, total job is 60 units. Out of that, 3 unit can be done in one day by A. B can do 2 unit of that job in a day. This is the efficiency of that. How much time they will take? So how much time they will take is nothing but, you see here, how do we do this question? Total work, only for your understanding, is 60 unit. A can do 3 unit of job, B can do 2 unit of job. That means A plus B can do in one day how many unit of job? 5 unit of job, right? So what we understood, A plus B can do 5 unit of job in one day. In one day. So 5 units in one day. Then 60 unit in how many days? Cross multiply. You will get the answer. Cross multiply. You will get the answer. Suppose X days. So that means 5x is equal to 60. Cross multiply. After cross multiplying, 5x is equal to 60. X is equal to 12 is the answer. Everybody has got the same answer. Everybody has got the same answer. 12 is the answer. What I am telling is, once again I am repeating how do we do this, and it is going to be a time savior for you after some time. Here we are writing how many days. A takes 20 days, B takes 30 days. Find the LCM of A and B, which is 60. This will tell, this is 3 times, 32 times is 60. This is efficiency of A. This is efficiency of B. That means A plus B will take 5 days. Total unit is 60. 5 unit in one day. Correct, one day. So 60 unit in 12 days is the answer. Over. Right. Okay, let's see second question and you will understand better. If A can do a certain job in 15 days. A has finished a certain unit of job in 15 days. B has finished certain unit of job. Sorry. If A can finish a work in 15 days, B can finish the same work in 20 days, right? 15 and 20. If A and B works together for 4 days, let's find first the efficiency. 20. LCM of 20 and 15 against 60. 4 times, 3 times. Efficiency we have got, right? A plus B, how much of job they can do? 7 unit of job. Total unit is 60. Okay. If A can finish a piece of work, a work in 15 days, B can finish the work in 20 days. If A and B works together for 4 days, okay, A plus B together in one day, 7 unit. So A plus B together in 4 days, how much unit? 28 unit. Correct, no? 28 unit of job they would have done. Then what fraction of work is left? They are asking what fraction of work is left. Work done is equal to 28 units. Total work is equal to 60 units. So work left is how much? Work left is in fraction. Work done by total, right? That is 28 divided by 60. No. Work left is how much? Work left is 60 minus 28, my dear friend. 60 minus 28, which is 32. So 32 unit of job is yet to be done. So what is in terms of fraction? In terms of fraction, how we can tell? This is work left divided by total work. 32 by 60. Now you can 8 4 ja and 15 4 ja. So 8 by 15 is the right answer. 8 by 15 is the right answer. Right? Very good. Debashis has given him, Himanshu has given. If you have understood this, let's do this question now. Let's do the sum. If A, B, and C can finish a work in 20, 30, and 60 days respectively, in how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Okay, let's see the how to do the sum. What is the question? Look at the screen. Look at the screen and try to understand this question. If A, B, and C, A is there, B is there, C is there. How much of time they take? 20 days, 30 days, and 60 days. So our funda was there. Find the LCM first. So what we will do first, we will try to find the LCM of the number. So this is our number. Here it is number of days. Here it is efficiency. First we will do in any time and work question, this will try to find out and then we will start. If A, B, and C can finish a work in 20, 30, and 60 days respectively, okay, then the LCM of 20, 30, and 60, the bigger two number 30 and 60, what is the LCM of these two? 60. And these two again 60 and 20, 60. So 60 3 times 23 times 60, 32 times 60, 61 times 60. So this is the efficiency of A, B, and C. Okay, now let's see. If this is done, then try to read out the question from here. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? That means what? Day 1. Who is working? A is working. Day 2, who is working? A is working. Day 3, who is working? A is working along with B and C. That is what they have given, no? In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C? So B and C comes to assist A every third day. Third day. Again, fourth day A, fifth day A, sixth day A plus B plus C. Correct, no? This is what they have told. Okay. So how much of work on day 1 we will finish? Let's write and see. Day 1, how much of work we can do? Only A is working. So 3 unit of job will be done. On day 2, another 3 unit. So this A plus B plus C, 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 6 unit of job can be done. This day 3, this day 3, this day another 6. That means, you see, every 3 days, how much job is done on 3 days? Every 3 days, 6 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12 unit of job is done on 3 days. So first 3 day, or every 3 days, every 3 days, work will be 12 unit of job is done, correct? No, 12 unit of job is done. So to finish, this much is 12 unit, total is 60, right? 60. So into 5 times is 60. This side also 3 days into 5 days, so 15 days. Every 3 days, 15 that kind of days are required to finish the complete job. Hope you understood this. 15. One more time I'm trying to repeat. If you have understood this, I'm trying to repeat the easier way. Now A, B and C are there. A, B, C and are there. 20, 30 and 60 days they take. LCM is 60. Efficiency of the people are 3, 2 and 1, right? That means in 3 days, how much of work will be done in 3 days? A will come one day, A will come second day, A, B and C will come on third day. In 3 days, in first 3 days, how much work will be done? This much of work will be done. So 3 times A plus B plus C. Why? Because A has come 3 days, B and C has come only one day. 3 times A is how much, my dear friend? 3 times of A. A does 3 unit of job in a day. B does 2 unit, C does 1 unit. So 3 threes are 9 plus 3, 12 unit of job. So in 3 days, 3 days, how much of unit of job? 12 unit. We want 60 unit is equal to X. Cross multiply, you will get the answer of X. That means cross multiplication, 12X is equal to 12X is equal to 3 into 60. That means X is equal to 3 into 60 by 12. 5 times 15 days is the right answer. Got it? Let me know if you have understood the explanation. Many people have already given the answer as 15. Wonderful. 15 people have given the answer as 15. Let me know if you have understood this. Let's go to the next question. A is thrice as good as workman as B and therefore completes a job in 60 days less than B. Wonderful, nice question it is. A is thrice as good as workman as B. That means A, B, number of days. Suppose B takes X 3x number of days. Okay, then A will takes only X days. Why? Because A is thrice as good as workman as B. A is thrice as good as workman as B. That means A's efficiency is too much. It is good, right? So what is the LCM of these two? 3x. And if you see the efficiency, how it will be written? This is 3 and 1. So efficient, 3 times more efficient is A. Okay. Working together, they can finish the sum job. Okay. And therefore completes a job in 60 days less than B. They have given 60 days less than B. Okay, so this part you see. A takes S days, B takes 3x days. What in the question they have given? 3x, the number of days which B takes minus the number of days which A takes is equal to 60. This is what they have given, no? A takes 60 days less. So A takes whatever days he is taking. If we subtract from how much days B is taking, that is going to be 60, right? So that means 2x is equal to 60. That means x is equal to 30. So A will take 30 days and B is taking 90 days of time to finish the job. Now what they are asking, they can finish the same work in how many days? Okay, working together. So this now question is ready. A takes 30 days, B takes 90 days. So the LCM is 90. This is 3 times, this is 1 time, right? Okay, so working together, they can do 4 unit of job, 4 unit of job in a day, and total is 90 unit. One day, 40 unit. Total they need is 90 units. How many days? X. Cross multiply. 40x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 by 40. This is 4 unit. 4x by 4 by 4, and which can be written as 45. 45 by 2 is the right answer, right? 45 by 2 days will be the right answer. Wonderful. Tirumala has got the answer. Ankit has got the answer. Aman has got. Devashis, Himanshu. Wonderful. You people have got the answer. So this is what it has to be done. This is how it has to be done. Let's go to the next question. Okay, Lazy has also got the answer. Wonderful. Let's see the another question. If 15 boys can finish a piece of work in 12 days, working 8 hours a day, how long will it take for 16 boys to complete 4/6 of the work, working 9 hours a day? देखते हैं. What is given? 15 boys are working, can finish a piece of work if 15 boys can finish a work if work in, okay, 15 boys, 12 days, working 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day. Okay. So total work is how much? Total work considering 15 boys, 12 days, 8 hours. Correct. This is the total work, no? Okay. This is the total work. Consider this is the total work considering everything is 1111 unit. Now they are asking how long will it take for 16 boys? We have 16 boys to complete 4/6 of work, working 9 hours a day. So 12, 16 boys are going to work 9 hours every day. Okay. The work to be done. Work to be done is equal to, total work was this much, but they are telling only 4/6 of work. So 4 by 6 into 15 into 12 into 8. This much of work has to be done by how many people? By 16 people working 9 hours per day. This is going to be the answer. That's all. 4 times 4 times 3, 3 times 5 times 4, 3. So I am getting 20 by 3 days as the answer. Are you getting the same? Are you getting the same? Or somebody has some other answer? 20 by 3 is what I am getting. Okay. Few people have got 20 by 3. Wonderful. 23, 20 by 3, 20 by 3, 20 by 3. Super. So 20 by 3 seems to be the right answer, right? 20 by 3 seems to be the right answer, and that is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. B and C together can complete a work in 8 days. A and B together can complete the same work in 12 days. And A and C together can complete the same work in 16 days. In how many days can A, B, and C together complete the work? Super. How it has to be done? What they have told, B plus C, they complete the work in 8 days. Okay. A plus B can do the same job in 12 days, and they have given A plus C together can complete the work in 16 days. They are telling A plus B plus C in how many days they will do this. What? Okay. If you go traditional method, it is going to take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. However, in this method, it will take very less time. Let's try this way. They have given b plus c, a plus b, a plus c. We will write how many days? 8 days, 12 days, 16 days. We will find the LCM of the numbers and we will write this is number of days, this is efficiency, right? Okay. 16 and 12, what is the LCM? 16 2 ja 24, yes. So 24 is going to be the LCM of these two. LCM of these two is, okay, sorry, 16 2 ja 32, no, 16 3 ja 48, 48, and this is also 48. Wow. So 48 is the LCM, my dear friend. 48 is the LCM. Then what we will do? 6 times, 4 times, 3 times. That means this much of job will be done. How much of job can be done? 6 plus 4 plus 10. So 13 unit of job. Who is doing? Let's see. Who is able to complete 13 unit of job? These three people together. It is not only three people, it is six people together. Why? This is summation of a plus a. That means 2a plus 2b plus 2c. That means 2a plus 2b plus 2c. 2 days a working, 2 days b working, 2 days c working can complete the job in 13, can do 13 unit of job. That means a plus b plus c, if they have to work, it is 13 divided by 2 units, right? Half of that. This is exactly double, right? So half of that. So what they have asked, in how many days a b c can complete the work? 13 by 2 unit of job can be done. I'm just removing this part to write the other part. Okay, that means what? 13 by 2 unit of job can be done by ABC in 1 day. They are telling 48 unit to be completed in how many days? Cross multiply, no? 13 by 2x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 into 2 divided by 3. 16 into 2 is 30. 1 minute. 13 by 2 unit of job ABC does in 1 day. So to complete 48 units, how much time they will take? How much time they will take? How many days will they take? Tell me the answer. X days. So cross multiplication will tell x is equal to 48 into 2 divided by 13. Correct now? That means 96 by 13. B is the right answer. 96 by 13. Wonderful. Having understood this question, let's go to, and this is one of the question which was asked in multiple question papers. Multiple question paper, this kind of question you can expect in the question paper where the question pattern is a little tough. In the tough question paper, this kind of questions will appear, my dear friends. Let's see question number 7. This is another type of question which is again readily asked in question paper. If you go through the question paper from right from railways, banks, SSB examination, 2 question paper, aptitude question paper of different companies, this kind of question paper is asked. This kind of question comes. 3 men and 7 women can do a piece of work in 32 days. Find the number of days required by 5 men and 7 women to do a piece of work twice as large. Twice as large. What is given? 3 men or 7 women. That is what is given, no? 3 men or 7 women can finish the piece of work in 32 days. Okay, that means it is similar kind of question. 3 men can do in 32 days, or 7 women can do the piece of work in 32 days. That means what? One man will take how much time, and one woman will take how much time? One man will take how much time? 32 into 3, and one woman will take 32 into 7 days. Correct? So this is what is the funda. If you have understood how to change this, then your question becomes the same how it was asked earlier. So man takes 32 into 3 days to complete a piece of work. A woman take 32 into 7 days to complete a work, and the question starts now. Now we can do aram se the question. Let's do this question. So this part was important to understand how to get in the this way. So man takes and woman takes 32 into 3 days, 32 into 7 days. This is number of days. Here will be efficiency of men and women, and this will be LCM of the number. LCM of this number will be 3 is prime, 7 is prime, so it is going to be multiple of that number. So LCM is 32 into 3 into 7. What is the efficiency? This is 7 time efficient, this is 3 time efficient. The efficiency of men and women will be 7 is to 3. Right? Okay. 7 is to 3. That much we got. Now what they have told? 3 men or okay, this is what we got. Now the question is, find the number of days required by 5 men. Who all are working? We have 5 men, and means together they are working 7 women to do the piece of work twice as large. They, how much work they can do in one day? 5 men and 7 men, women can do in one day. In one day, how much work? One day job will be 5 men can do. 5 men can do how much of job? 7 into 5. 5 into 7 piece of work, unit of job, and this will do 7 into 3. That is 35 plus 21. That is equal to 56 unit of job they can do in one day. That's what we got, no? 5 men plus 7 women does 36 unit of job in one day. How much work has to be done? Total work. Okay. Work to be done. Work to be done is equal to, now work to be done is equal to 32 into 3 into 7. This is the normal job what they have done. Now they are telling twice, so into 2. So total unit of job is this much. So to do 32 into 3 into 7 into 2 unit of job, how many days are required? Cross multiply, you will get the answer. X value will be equal to 32 into 3 into 7 into 2 divided by 56. 8 times, 4 times, 8 times. So 8 3 ja 24. 24 days will be the right answer. Right? 24 will be the right answer. Got it, my dear friends? Okay, Himanshu, you have given the answer as 5 men, how many days they will take, and 7 women, how many days it will take. Probably you are trying to find that one. However, the question is together they are working. Find the number of days required by 5 men and 7 women to do a piece of work twice as large. The job is increased by double, right? The work which was there, the double of the work is given, and 5 men and 7 women are working together. So together, how many days they will take? So you have understood, right? 24 is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question, which is similar kind of question, and let's see how many of you can do this question. This is for you. I'm giving a minute of time to all of you to give the answer of this, and then we will go to next type of sum in time and work. I am trying to do, I have tried doing all the sums of different type from time and work. So I feel like there will not be any kind of question which will be coming apart from this. These many types of questions we are trying to solve. 3 men or 7 women can do a piece of work in 32 days. Find the number of days required by 7 men and 5 women to do thrice the work. The concept is work has been increased by 3 times, thrice the work, and the manpower is 3 men and 5 women. It can be done, right? Similarly, it can be done. It is very similar to that. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Last 30 seconds left for giving the answer. Okay, let's try. See, 3 men can finish the work in 32 days, as 3 men takes 32 days. So 1 man will take how much? 32 into 3 days. No, this is the concept. Last question also we have done. So how we will write? We will write this way: men, man, woman, 32 into 3 days, 32 into 7 days, right? Number of days. What is the LCM? LCM is 32 into 3 into 7 will be the LCM. Okay. What is the efficiency? Efficiency is 7 and 3, right? So this is 1 man working, 1 woman working, 10 unit of job they can do. Okay. However, what they have asked is 7 men is working and 5 women is working, right? 7 men plus 5 women. How much of work they can do in one day? 7 men and 5 women. 7 men means 7 into the efficiency of a person, man is 7, plus 5 into women is 3. Woman is 3, right? So 7 men together can do 49 units of job. 5 women together can do 15 unit of job in one day, right? So what they have asked, how much of, how many days will be required to finish how much of job? Total job is 32 into 3 into 7 unit, but they have also told thrice the work. So into 3, this is the total work. How many days? Suppose x, then the value of x will be equal to, value of x will be equal to 32 into 3 into 7 into 3 divided by 7 into 7 into 5 into 3 is the answer directly. You need not to find anything apart from that. 7733. Yeah, that is what is the going to be the answer. Oh, just a minute, just a minute. This is plus, my dear friend. This is not into, right? This is plus, my dear friend. That means Let's write this. What is the value of this? 7 7 ja 49 plus 5 plus 3 15. This is equal to 64, right? So divided by 64, then give the answer. Okay, 32 into 3 into 7 into 3, my dear friend. 32 two times 64. That means 3 3 are 9, 9 7 are 63 divided by 2. These many days they will take. 633 divided by 2. These many days they will take to give the answer, to do the job. 63 by 2 is the right answer. Many of you have already given. Super. So then what we will do, we'll go to the next sum, next type of sum, and this seems to be the one of the complex sum which can be done just like that, as you people have done. Give me the answer of this. Let me see how many of you can give the answer of this, and after that we will wind up today's session. Question number 9. A work is started by 15 people. After 5 days, 5 more people accompanied them to finish the work in next 10 days. How many people should have started the works to finish it in 11 days? Try to understand the question. The question says a work is started by 15 people after 5 days. That means number of days spent is first 5 days 15 people worked, right? 5 more people accompanied them to finish the work in next 10 days, so another 10 days, so 15 days they took. Total 15 days they took. If 15 people working for 5 days plus 5 more people joined, so 15 plus 5, 20 people worked for next 10 days. So total work is this much, this is what is total work. Total work. Suppose one person does 1 unit of job in 1 day. That means total work is how much unit? Total unit of work is 15 into 5 plus 20 into 10 unit. This is what is the total job, no? This much units of work. 15 5 is 75, and this is 200. So that is 275 units of job is there. Total work is 275 units, right? Now what they are asking, how many people should have started the work to finish it in 11 days? To finish this much of work in 11 days, how many people are required? People or labors required will be equal to how much, my dear friend? 275 total work divided by one person is doing 1 unit of job, right? So how many people are required in 11 days? Divided by 11. So 2 times and 5 times. So 25 people are required to do this job. Got it? It's not at all difficult. It was very easy. However, it was little tricky question. That's all. Anusha has given the answer. Himanshu has given the answer. Tiranjeet has given the answer. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, having said that, let's see the last question. Question number 11. This question. We have this is the last question, and we will wind up the session for the day. So that will cover all the question, all probable type of question of time and work. The question is, ABC can do a piece of work in 6, 12, 13 days respectively. They agreed to work together and finish the work for an amount of rupees 3,400. What will be the share of the person B from the given amount? Okay. A, B, C. 6 days, 12 days, 30 days. Let's see what is the efficiency? The money has to be distributed on the basis of efficiency, right? Normally that is what happens. What is the LCM of these two? So 12 and 30, the LCM is 60. 12 and 30, the LCM is going to be 60. So 60 and 6 and 60 also, the LCM is going to be 60, isn't it? So 60 is the LCM. And what is the efficiency? Efficiency is going to be 10. You can do 10 unit of job in a day, 5, and this is 2. The efficiency of person is this. So what is the total efficiency? And the money has to be distributed the same way. So total amount is 3400. Total amount is 3400, which has to be distributed to A, B, and C, isn't it? So 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 unit of job they can do together in a day. Out of that, 10 A can do, B can do 5 unit of job, and C can do 2 unit of job. That means if 17 unit is there, then it is 10, 5, and 2. If 34 unit, 34,100 is there, right? 3,500 is there. How much B will get, right? So if 17 units, out of 17 units, B is getting B is doing 5 units, right? B is doing 5 units. So out of 3,400 rupees, suppose 1 rupee is given for 1 unit. So how much will be this thing? Suppose X. Cross multiply, you will get the answer of X. X is equal to 5 into 3,400 divided by 17. 1,000 rupees will be the share of B. This is one of the way. Otherwise also you try to understand this way. Rupees 3,400 has to be distributed between A, B, C. Okay, the share will be in the ratio 10 is to 5 is to 2. If you do not want, if this much you have found, then forget about that. 10 is to 5 is to 2 ratio and proportion. If you go 10 is to 5 is to 2, so 10 is to 5 is to 2, how we do? Find the sum of this. 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 2 17. Out of 17 unit, B will get 5 units. So out of 3,400 unit, obviously 200 times it is. 200 times it is. So multiply by 200. Multiply, if 3,400 has to be given, that means into 200 it is. So into 200 everywhere. Into 200, into 200, into 200. So how much he will get? He will get 2,000 rupees. He will get 1,000 rupees. He will get 200 into 2, 400 rupees. Total will be 3,400 rupees. So the answer is 1,000, which is option 2. Hope you have understood this. Most of you have already given the answer as 1,000 rupees. Wonderful. You have got the answer right. So having understood all those, thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And we were doing some placement paper sums from LCM and HCF and time and work. I wish you all the best. Keep learning. Keep coming to the channel, and I'm planning to come online on Saturday and Sundays when mostly you will be free, and we will have a lot of learning. If you have liked the channel, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. That's all from my side. See you on next Saturday. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.